mile. The destination is on your left. Mount Greylock State Reservation.
Today's adventure, the highest point in the Commonwealth. Happy Wednesday, everyone, and welcome to the Season 6 finale of Adventure Wednesday. Over this past season, I've traveled over 1,600 miles to take you guys on different adventures. Today, we are in the Berkshires, which is located in the northwestern corner of the state of Massachusetts. More specifically, we're in the town of Lanesborough, which is home to the highest natural point in all of the Commonwealth. Known as Mount Greylock, this 3,491-foot peak can give you visibility for up to 90 miles on a clear day, which clearly is not today. So sit back and relax as I take you through to the top of the park where there is a Veterans War Memorial Tower, but right now we are at the visitor center, so let's get out of the truck, go through the rain, and have a look around. Alright, back in the truck from the visitor center, let's head up to the top of the mountain. And 20 minutes later, we've arrived at the top of Mount Greylock. Let's get out of the truck and have a look around. So we're up here at the top now, and you can't see anything out the windows, but just listen to the wind. Alright everyone, back in the truck where that is going to do it for another season of Adventure Wednesday. Thank you guys very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and now please enjoy the footage of our drive down the mountain. Peace.